So here in this example, we are going to use trapezoids to estimate that area under the curve. In general, a trapezoid rule will consistently underestimate the area under the curve when it's concave down. You can see here it's concave down. There'll be extra space in between that trapezoid and the curve. And if it's concave up, it'll dip into your trapezoid, making it an overestimate. So now we want to use trapezoids to estimate this area under the curve. So let's think about what is the area of a trapezoid? Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times height times base 1 plus base 2. So how can we create some trapezoids in this problem? So here, if I go up to this height here and up to this height here and connect, that is a trapezoid. It might not look perfect. And then I can go up to this height here, connect, there's a trapezoid, and go up to this height here, connect, there's a trapezoid. And then this term is actually, or this shape is actually a triangle, but we can still look at it as a trapezoid. So if I focus in, let's say just on this one here, right? Here are my two bases, and this is the height. So when we're looking at the trapezoid, they each have the same height of delta x. So your height is delta x. Now base 1 and base 2 are the left and right sides of your function. So base 1 is f of the left side of your interval of delta x, and b2 is f of the right side of delta x. So now we can approximate A, using the trapezoidal rule, is approximately 1/2 height, which is delta x, which is 1/4, multiplied by the height here, which is f of 0, plus. Now notice this side here is used both in this trapezoid and this trapezoid, so this side is going to be used twice. So this side is used twice. Same thing for this side. It's in this trapezoid and this trapezoid, so it's going to be used twice. Same thing for this side here. It's included as a base in this trapezoid and this trapezoid, so it's going to be used twice. The only points that aren't used twice are your endpoints. So I'm going to have 2f of 1/4 plus 2f of 1/2 plus 2f of 3/4. And then finally, this last piece is only in one trapezoid, f of 1. So my area using trapezoidal rule is approximately 1/8 times square root 0 plus 2 square root 1/4 plus 2 square root 1/2 plus 2 square root 3/4 plus square root 1 units squared. Now, how do we know if this is an underestimate or an overestimate? Since it's concave down, you can actually see the little bit of extra space there. So this is going to be an underestimate because we are concave down.